Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this product that I received, that it's an electrical eyelashes curler. So I'm going to be opening with you. I'm going to show you what's inside. It comes the charger, and then it comes here the electrical curler lashes. And well, when we turn it on, it's here at the bottom. You just need to click one time and then it turns off. So I think that we need to leave it there for a few moments. Okay guys, I want to show you like this side of my eye. I'm going to put like this. I want to show you how my lashes look like down, and I already used the product in this one, and really it functions very well. And like you can see here, my lashes, how they look this one, and look this one. It looks horrible this side. So I'm going to be applying this one. I already, oh, it turns off. Okay, I'm going to turn it on another time. I'm going to wait a little bit, and I want to tell you that the first time I applied in this, sorry, it was like hot, but it was not super hot. So I think it has a really good temperature, the product, and it functions very well. I'm going to be showing you. Okay, I'm going to put it in my lashes. Okay, like that, and like you can see there, they are. And here, for example, I'm not doing a lot of pressure. It's just like I'm taking these parts. But if I take off my fingers, like you can see, they're continuous. Then I take it and look how it seems for the first time. I'm going to do it another time, okay? You need to try to take all your lashes. And there's another time. I'm going to leave it for maybe 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to leave it 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. And look like the second time how it looks. Okay, it looks better. I'm going to do it, well, like you can see here, these ones, they're already curled, but this side I think that I need to grab it more. So I'm going to concentrate from taking from this part more. And remember, like, to pull it, the product, until the like that like this part of the eye, like the downside of the lashes. Okay, look how it works, the product. I think it works super incredible. Like you can see, it is super nice. My eyelashes. Okay, I'm putting here my hands so that you can see how it works, the product, and just like seeing my lashes.